guys, it's Sonia with Junk Monkey Paint Company. Hope your day is going awesome. Today is, what is today?
Thursday.
Today is Thursday. Yeah. I am heading down to the Dollar Tree. If you followed one of my vlogs this week, I told you that me and Matt took a walk, and I said to him, do you want to go to the Dollar Tree? And what did he tell me? No?
No, I'll go get gas.
Not at all. And again today, he's like, no, I'll go get gas. You go to the Dollar Tree. So he's gonna drop us off, and we're gonna check out and see what's new. It's been a few months since I've been to the Dollar Tree, and I like just going in, popping in and see what they have, see what seasonal stuff they have, and a lot of times just finding a few little things that cost literally $1 and putting it around your house can make you feel like you've decorated, you know, like maybe like, I don't know, does this get you excited, Matt? A little pump of soap that might have a pumpkin on it or a ghost or something like that? That look says no. Boy, we're just such different people, aren't we? Men and women. So I'm heading over to the Dollar Tree. Let's go see what we can find. It is a rainy day out there, but a good one. And look, it's gonna get even better because you know what I see over there in that parking lot? The Dollar Tree. Guys, these are so fun if you paint a board and you just glue these right on them. So if, for example, if you had a piece of plain wood, you glazed it, and then you just glued this deer on. Oh my gosh, so pretty. I think I'm gonna need a few of these. back in the van. I became friends with Nancy. Nancy gave me some good intel. She told me that a truck just arrived at the Dollar Tree. So she told me to stop back over the next 24 to 48 hours because there's some more stuff. And she tells me some Christmas winter stuff. So we're gonna have to check that out. Also take note of the fancy new dollar hat. Couldn't find my hat when I left the house today. So I was a little bit disappointed about that, so I went to the hat section and I found this one for $1 inside the Dollar Tree. So if you stay tuned, I'll show you the rest of my haul that did not break the bank. All right, when we get home, we'll sit down and we'll go through the bags. What is this, Matt?
It's just mushroom, roasted red pepper, onion, cream sauce.
To go over
Cube steak.
these cube sticks. It is good.
Damn straight it's good.
It's good. When you're getting ready to film a video and Stanley decides to take the front row seat. How are you doing, kitty kitty? We're about to make over this piano stand. Are you ready? Are you ready? All right, I'll do my best to make you proud. Whew, all right guys, holy moly, holy moly. All right, I'm gonna show you my haul that I got from the Dollar Tree. So we got home, Matt cooked some supper. It was delicious. While he did that, I gathered all the stuff up because I filmed a show for Home Talk. And so, yeah, even the cat made an appearance. So now I'm treating myself to what I love to eat every single night at about this time. I take the whipped cream, I take a handful of dark chocolate, and I take a handful of pecans, and it just becomes a wonderful, delicious treat, but yet it fits in with my low carb options. Don't knock it unless you tried it, but doesn't that look amazing right there? And I'm thirsty. I just painted a piece of furniture and did a Mod Podge just collection of really cool papers look. So watch for that this coming Wednesday at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Home Talk on Facebook. So it was such a treat today to get to go to the Dollar Tree. I love the Dollar Tree. Anybody else out there? I got 2 little bags to show you of my haul. What did you guys think as I brought you around the different aisles? Did you see some good stuff? Maybe you'll get out to yours. So I thought these were pretty cool. I actually ended up getting 4 of these. You guys know everything's a buck. So this set cost me $2. It really wasn't a set. There was just a whole bunch of all these really pretty like watercolor paintings that were there. And I picked 2 and 2. A lot of times we have small, just really small spaces in our homes where the wall might be just like this wide and you're like, what do I do there? Well, it's nice if you can find like 2 little things or 3 little things to put together, 3 little mirrors, something like that. In this case, I found 2 different pictures that were very, very close in how I felt the vibe of them was. This is a peacock. Look how pretty that is. And it has some shimmer onto it. You see that? Just a little canvas, really light to hang out with a nail. And this one was a sea turtle. And you guys know I love me ocean themed things, being that I am from an island. So I do love this, and I thought this could go in one space like this on a small wall. What do you guys think? Did you like those? And the other 2 that I got, they had lots more designs there, but these were the ones that I was drawn to, and I paired these 2 up as well because, again, I felt like they had the same colors and that they could go together. The other ones were colorful, but these here, do you see these 2 I got? How beautiful this one is. It's got a little bit of teal, lots of beiges, antiques, and a little bit of bling bling shimmered gold into it right there. And I thought I would pair this up and of course take off the plastic and all that good stuff. I'm sure if I took off the plastic, you guys would even be able to see the actual canvas a little bit better. So let's do one like that. And then there we go. Do you see how pretty that is? It's got a little bit of a bling bling. Again, just an antique, very faded, distressed sort of look. Let's take this paper off right here so I can show you that too. That way you can get the full deal. Ooh, isn't that pretty? Oh my gosh, $1 a piece. If you pair up a couple of these, give them to a friend, this would be a beautiful, beautiful gift. So I got 2 sets, $4, not bad. All right, let's see what else I got. Oh, I got that hat. Did you guys see that hat that I got today? So I don't know what happened to my hat that I've been wearing, my purple one, and I just kind of like these loose hats. I hate it when I have hats that are so tight that you take them off and you can see the band stuck in your forehead. So I thought I would go ahead and get this. This is just a gray one with a black tassel. They have a couple different colors there, but I thought, it's the perfect little, cute little hat to throw on when you're out and about. And today was a rainy day here in Pennsylvania and very, very cold. So, speaking of very, very cold, you know, when I did a live on Facebook last night and I said that I'd love to get to the Dollar Tree, somebody said, ooh, they have buffalo check scarves. And so I went there and look what I found. For $1. Hello. Now it says that it's a men's scarf. Well, I'm going to tell you right now, we women, we love it too. Oh my gosh, even my dogs would love this because it's so soft and furry. And they just love the furry stuff. Look how pretty this is. Wouldn't this be really cute with, if I have my jean jacket on now, jeans, and, you know, just my boots on with me. I think that'd be so cute. $2 outfit in the house right there. You know, picture the jean jacket, cargo style or something like that. I think that would be super cute. So the other two picks that I got today was this scarf right here. And again, it's a nice heavy fleece. It's beautiful. I love me some animal print. Don't judge me. Don't judge me. So I got two, all right? So I got the normal, like, you know, beigey brown camel sort of like what you would see. And then I got the red. You can actually wear them together as well. They're just infinity scarves. So you could wear these together and kind of like, you know, really bundle them up around your neck. Same idea. I love scarves. And for $1 a piece, maybe you will get out to get yourselves. Let me know if you get yours too. All right, speaking of scarves, the other last scarf that I got was, this came from the Halloween section and I absolutely loved it. Look at all the skulls over it, and it's teal and it's pretty, it's got fuchsia. And I was really thinking how cool it would be to, like, maybe over that week, when I got company coming over, my sister's coming to visit me, we have a get together. I mean, I could take my hair down. Obviously, I get rid of this look and, you know, do something fun. If you're wearing like a really cool black shirt or something like that, put my hair down. You could do the tie around, you know what I'm saying? You could put the tie around underneath. You could let your hair down. Do whatever the heck you want, but I think it would be so cool to use this as a hair accessory and do something fun with it. You know, like, you know, you could go down low, you could go up high as well and do a fun little look like that. I think that would be adorable. So I'll play with that in the mirror and you will probably see me rocking something, doing something with this, but I loved it. Look at it. How pretty is that? So very, very happy with that. The other things I got, let's see here. I got some pens because I love pens. So I got a blue and a purple. I love to mark in my calendar and all the things that I do. I like to have nice stationery. Somehow it motivates me. Don't judge me, it just motivates me. Anybody else? Matt says, do you really need another colorful pen? Do you really need another, I don't know, booklet, tablet? I'm like, yes, I do, because this one has llamas on it, okay? Or whatever. So I got some colorful pens, and I love that. Look at that, with the animal print on it. 'Tis the season to rock animal print. I got a few tags for those of you who are out there and have vendor stores and things like that. This is awesome to find the tags that already have the hole punched into them and the string. So I picked up another 60 tags like that to put around my shop tomorrow when I'm down there at my shop. And I went junking tonight when I left the Dollar Tree. So I have to, tomorrow, pull it all out. So if you're following me on Facebook and YouTube again tomorrow, you'll see some of the awesome stuff that I found. And we have to tag it tomorrow. Okay, I think this is the last thing I got at the Dollar Tree. I love these. This was in the Christmas section right here, okay? And I'm pretty sure you can like pull these things out and probably, I don't know, you could tie things in and really build up your wreath or whatever. I kind of like the idea of keeping it very, very small and just doing a nice greenery wreath, shaping it really nice and playing with that. And I also picked up a stem of this. So I got 2 of these. I'm gonna hang them on my doors. I think I'm gonna hang them on my doors. I've seen people do things like little small wreaths like this with a little bit of ribbon, and they hang over each of your kitchen cabinet doors. But I really like them over like just a nice painted door or a wooden door. So I got this little sprig here. They had all kinds there. These like holly berries right here, they had white. They had the orange ones from fall and stuff like that. You might have seen that into the video earlier. Pine cones. And so I thought to myself, how cool would it be to maybe add in a little bit of the red on here. And then I went to Michael's today and I got some really cool plaid ribbon. So stay tuned because we're gonna be doing some DIYs with that. But for $1, you cannot beat, and you can do some really simple things with these, and I can't wait to shape them and turn them into something really, really pretty. I was at Kirkland's, I think it was, a couple weeks ago, not even that, and it was like $16 for just this with a little bit of a ribbon. That was it, $16, and I'm like, nope, we can DIY that. So today I was happy to come across these at the Dollar Tree. Tell me who's gonna go off to the Dollar Tree and get themselves one of those cool scarves or pictures. It's always fun to hit there just to see what they have. So beautiful. Love it, love it, love it. And as long as you love it, you know it was a good haul. You can't beat $1. Thank you guys for watching my daily vlog. I appreciate your love. Leave me a comment below how you enjoyed this video today, and I will be back again tomorrow. Thank you guys for giving me a thumbs up, leaving me a comment, and be sure to subscribe and hit that bell. What it does is it alerts you every single time that I do another video upload. See you tomorrow.